Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing this really trendy nail art design. If you guys haven't been living under a rock, you guys, this nail design is all over Instagram in so many different ways, and today I want to give it a try here on my channel. These nails are press-on, so I'm going to show you guys how I did them. So if you want to see how I did these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with my favorite nails at the moment. These are by Vasedas, and I do get them off Amazon. They will be linked below. So I still get a lot of questions on how I actually put my nails on my nail stand. You guys, I just use nail stickers, and they hold the nail really tight onto the stand, and I'm able to buff. As you guys can see here, I'm going to be using my 180 file from Young Nails, and I can buff the nail as rough as I want, and the nail does not fall off the stand. So I will have some of those linked down below, but you can pretty much get them from anywhere. I usually just use the ones that come in like my press-ons that I buy from like Walmart. So of course I'm going to be going in with my Young Nails Protein Bond. You guys, I thought about trying another primer, but I just love this so much, so I'm just going to stick with it. So I'm going to be using a new base coat. It's going to be by IBD. You guys, this stuff is so thick. I love it, and these nails were like really sturdy when I got done with them. I was just obsessed with them. This was sent to me, so I'm not sure if I can link the exact one below. I will try, but I'm going to be using a few polishes from IBD in this video. Okay, so for our base color today, this is actually a sample that I am trying out. So let me know down below, you guys, what you guys think of this color, and you know what it's looking like on camera. I think it's looking pretty good, but again, it is nameless, it is brandless at the moment. So yeah, so I'm going to be using this nude. I just love nude. Very basic, but yeah, this one is more like a yellowish tint to it, which at first I wasn't really liking, but this is like the third nail that I've done with my, well, my third nail design that I have tried with this color, and it's growing on me. Okay, so yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of this nude. It's really thick, you guys. This is the first coat, and it's just looking amazing already, and I did end up doing 2 coats of this polish. These are the nails after I applied the second coat and cured them. So I'm going to be using some more IBD polish, and these are the numbers that they gave me. I'm not sure if these are the exact color numbers, but if I can find these, I'll put them down below for you guys. But these are the colors I'm going to be using for my nail design today. And this one's from imethod in 116. I did a video for them a few months ago. I'll link it down below. It came like a little kit, so yeah. So what I want to do now it's really no right or wrong way to do this, but you know, just do what feels good to you. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the thumb finger, and I'm going to be doing just like this swirling motion. I did have a reference picture. I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys just because it was my first time and I didn't really know what I was doing, to be honest, but I just knew I wanted it to be cute. Obviously. Yeah, so I'm going in with the white, and I did only end up using 1 coat of the white, and it was really opaque. The color payoff was great, and I didn't have any issues with it, you know, not being opaque enough. So yeah, I just went ahead and did a little swirl, and I went in order. So now I'm going on to my pointer finger, and I just didn't want the nails to, like, I don't know how to describe it. If I did a design on the right on the other finger, I want to do a design on the left on the other on the next finger, you know, because I don't want them to be like uniform at all. So yeah, I'm going to put a bunch of different ways you can do this on the screen. There's so many different ways. Like, everyone and their mama is doing this on Instagram, and I was just like, I have to try that. It looks easy. You guys know I love me some line art. So yeah, I'm just going in and filling it in, and whatever just looks good, whatever feels good to you, you just go with it. So for this one, I decided to switch it up a little bit. I'm actually going to add some design to the top of the nail. Again, just making the nails look like they all belong to the same family, but you know, we don't need them to be twins. Like, that's going to be really corny. So I'm just adding a design to the top of the nail, and when I was done, everything just flowed just so nicely. And I was obsessed. Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing, drawing my design and filling it in, making sure I don't miss any spots, so I don't have any bald spots or anything on the nail. And this is how the nails look after I did all of them. As you guys can see, they all look related, but they don't look exactly the same, and I just love it. And now I'm just going in with the color 5223 by IBD, and I'm just going to go ahead and outline what I just did. And this is just going to make the nails pop. I could have stopped here, but of course I decided to go in with a third color just to give it some extra oomph. And I just love the way these colors went together. Definitely different for my channel because I usually stick with, you know, the basics. I don't really go too much into color, but this was like some subtle color, which I love. And that's pretty much all I'm doing is lining it. As you guys can see, I am sitting my pinky finger on my middle finger on my other hand just to get some stability going, because I did want this to be as neat as possible. I didn't want it to be all messy and stuff, and because I honestly didn't want to go back later and do any cleanup work with my brush or anything. So yeah, I'm just making sure to get it as neat as possible the first time around, and surprisingly everything came out perfect. I didn't have any issues, which was surprising because I was like, here we go with this line work. I'm about to be messing up and have to clean up, go and grab my acetone, but nope, I didn't have to. Everything went great. So yeah, just make sure you stabilize your pinky on your other finger and you won't have any issues. And I just think this is so cute. I got so many compliments on these nails, you guys. You have no idea. Everyone was just like, who did your nails? I'm like, girl, me, they're press-ons. I didn't start selling press-ons. I thought about it. I don't know. Let me know down below what you guys think. But yeah, so I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm sorry I'm out of the camera a little bit. I'm going to move my big hand in just a moment. So now I'm going in with 116 from IBD. Well, no, it's not from IBD. This one's from imethod. I will have the kit that this came in linked down below. I absolutely love this polish. And I'm just outlining the blue that I just put down. Just to give it some extra. I've seen people do it where they have like 15 different colors layered. And me, myself, her, I don't really have the patience to do all that. But you can honestly do whatever you want. That's what I love about this nail design. And every time it just comes out just so flawless, and everything just looks so, it just looks so bougie and high end, and I just love it. And it's just something super easy that we can all do at home. You guys, I went to the nail salon the other day to get my feet done. I'm never going to get my nails done. I don't think you guys ever heard me saying that. But to get my feet done because I haven't mastered the art of pedicures. And I just did not want to be there. Yeah, I need to watch some videos on how to do like a pedicure at home and how to like correctly paint your toes, because I do sometimes I do my toes and put gel polish on my toes because I don't really like regular polish. And it doesn't just come out as flawless as it does at the nail shop. And you guys, you know how much it cost me? I got a pedicure with gel polish. $58. That's all I got. $58. Girl, I'm done. Okay, so I need to learn how to correctly paint my toes because I just can't do it. That's ridiculous. Anyway, yeah, so I just went ahead and outlined the nails, and these are what they look like. You guys, I'm so obsessed. So now I'm going in with some top coat from IBD. If you guys aren't new to my channel, I used to use IBD top coat a while back. It was in a different bottle than this, but still the same great quality. I just love their top coat. It's nice and thick, and the shine is like next level. I love it. So yeah, if I could find this exact one, I'll link it down below. If not, I will just link the one that I used to use down below that I used to get off Amazon. And if you guys want to know how I apply my press-on nails and get them to last for 2 weeks, yes, I had these nails on for 2 weeks, you guys. I will have the video linked above for you guys. So these are the final nails, you guys. I love them. I love their length. You guys know I'm trying to get into my short nail thing, but I love them. These nails just look so flawless. Again, they look so expensive, but nope, they were nice and cheap, and I did them at home myself. Thank you all so much for watching. Any questions, anything you guys want to see on my channel, let me know them down below. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.